House of a man named Sudhangshu Debnath burned to ashes in a terrible fire on Tuesday night. A fire engine was brought to the scene as soon as the information was sent. Incident took place at Madhya Ganaki area under Khorang police station. According to the details, the incident is said to have occurred due to short circuit. Incident took place at Madhya Ganaki area under Khorang police station on Tuesday night. When the fire broke out, house owner Sudhangshu Debnath was not at home. However, as soon as the information of the incident was circulated, the house owner Sudhangshu Debnath immediately rushed to his house and he saw that the house has already burned. Likewise, fire engine also arrived at the scene to control the fire. But before the fire engine could arrive, the house has already burned to ashes, said the owner.
পরে দমকল কর্মীরা খবর জানছিনি
খবর দেওয়া হয়েছে তারা আইছে
ক্ষয়ক্ষতির পরিমাণ কত হইব
5 লাখ টাকা
নাম কি তা
সুধাংশু দেবনাথ
বাড়ি
মধ্যমন্ত্রী 1 নম্বর
Owner of the house said in the incident he has lost around 5 lakhs of his household things. Reported by Biplav from Khorang, Chini, Khorang.